Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is time to get cooking. And today, it is casserole day. That's right. I love casseroles for many reasons. They are super easy to make. They can be made ahead of time. They freeze really well, and this casserole is a good one. It's a chicken broccoli rice casserole. It's got your chicken and your broccoli, rice and cheese. It's creamy, it's hearty, it's comforting. It's just so good. All right, I'm gonna go over the ingredients with you, and some of the ingredients can be modified. I'll explain that as I'm going over them. So let's get cooking. So what I have here is 2 cups of fresh broccoli that I have cut into small bite-sized pieces. Now you can also use frozen broccoli. Sometimes the bag of frozen broccoli will come already chopped into small pieces, and sometimes there'll be large florets. If it's the large florets, just cut those into smaller pieces. All right, so my chicken, what I have here is frozen boneless, skinless chicken tenderloins. I just put them in a pot, covered them with water, and cooked them until they were tender. I'm going to cut the chicken into small bite-sized pieces. It will equal around 2 cups. It doesn't have to be exact measurements though. You could also use a rotisserie chicken. Just pick one up from your local grocery store, pull that chicken off the bone, and that works as well. I have here 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 2 cups of cooked white rice, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, and then what I have here is 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of sour cream. Now I personally like the combination of the two, but you can use just all sour cream or all mayonnaise. That's completely up to you. And then I have a sleeve here of Ritz crackers and 1/2 stick of butter. I'm going to crush the crackers, melt the butter, pour the butter over top of my crackers, and this will be my topping. But you can also use crushed cornflakes. All right, this could not be easier. I'm just going to dump all my ingredients into a large bowl. I am going to add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. All right, then just stir all this together. All right, then pour your mixture into a lightly greased 9 by 13 baking dish. All right, now I'm just going to take my crackers and I'm crushing them and placing them in a bowl. And then I'm going to pour this melted butter over top. And I'm just going to sprinkle these crackers over top. And then bake in a 350-degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes until the crackers are golden brown and everything is nice and hot and bubbly. All right, my casserole is done and I am excited to dig in. Oh yeah. Oh, it's cheesy, creamy, and I love the buttery, crunchy crackers on top. This is a delicious casserole. I hope that you give it a try. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.